Díobh Cordia, and here are my predictions for the higher level Leaving Cert Irish essay section. But before we dive into predictions, I want to show you how easy it is to look at it yourself. Every single video you see of teachers making predictions for these essays, we are all looking at the same thing. We're all looking at patterns, and you can do the same. You don't need to wait for us. Before you listen to me, I want you to look yourself and try and predict yourself what you think will come up. Here are the patterns from over the last few years. Again, I'm not going to go into the whole, these are only predictions, don't rely on it, don't come from me, etc. You know yourself. My number one prediction, and to be honest, I was shocked that it didn't come up last year, is on Gaeilge. Again, I was really surprised that it didn't come up last year, so I definitely think it's going to be on the paper, so be ready for this. We have had such a revival of our beautiful language and it's such an exciting time, so make sure you have a really good essay prepped on this. Number two, the second essay that I will be looking at if I had a Leaving Cert class this year will be Educus, the education system. As you know, the whole Leaving Cert is changing over the next few years. Really topical at the moment. Not only that, it hasn't come up in a while. I really do think Educus is going to come up in some shape or form this year. I think you should have a paragraph included on the whole Leaving Cert reform, how you feel about it, even AI in education. Make your essay really interesting. I'm sure we all know of the lovely Quiva who's advocating for student rights, students who are grieving. She is fantastic. Make sure to give her a follow. Three, what I'll be looking at, and I don't think it'll come up as a title on its own. Obviously, we know the world is so unsettled at the moment. I think that the essay title will come up as Reagan violence, and then you can bring in what you like. You can look at Ireland, you can look at the whole world, depending, of course, on the topic, but you could also bring in your Cugga there. War, again, I don't think it'll come up as Cugga as a title. I could be wrong, but I think it'll be a more general, it could be big news stories around the world, unsettled world, violence, etc. And if you're really looking for a fourth essay, Buckedness, poverty could come up, same thing. That's where you could link in your Cugga, you could look at the housing crisis. But to be honest, I think the first three essays are where it's at. And that's number one on Gaeilge, number two, Educus, number three, a general like Skelton Mora, news stories around the world. I know this is the section that we all freak out about, but it's going to be absolutely fine. Remember, I'll have a video coming soon on the Diasporic, the debate section, just in case your desired essay title comes up in that section. It is so easy to adjust the essay that you know to the title. That's the most important skill. Remember, we want to work smarter, not harder.